Hello everyone, welcome back to another review video of another amazing product which will definitely help you make money online in 2021. Since the trends are changing, everybody is going digital, so is the affiliate marketing advancing, and so are the strategies. So it's the same affiliate marketing business, but the strategies are changing. People are coming up with new ideas to help people make money online with the more simplest and easiest ways so that everybody can make money. Even there you don't have any experience or you don't have any expenses, or you don't want to wait, so you can still make money. So what the product is, easy profit pages. So this is again about affiliate marketing, and in affiliate marketing they have a great strategy for beginners to make money online. So with affiliate marketing, so how you can make money with affiliate marketing business is you will not be selling. It is not a selling system that pays us monthly and recurring and high ticket commissions. Okay, let's just skip this part. They say in 47 endless free buy traffic pays them $67 to $197 every time someone clicks on their link. Okay, so it's beginners friendly. I will show you how in a bit. With the results it is generating, you can see here. Okay, so this is what you need to look at. Here's why easy profit pages work so well without any effort. How? So instead of selling, you will be helping people. You will be helping people with the valuable information that will help them make better decisions about things they are already paying for. So this is really cool. Helping is a good deed. Okay, so like I am helping you to understand this product. Now the demand is unlimited, so yes, anyone marketing anything online needs certain tools. Many of these mean ongoing cost hosting. Yes, that's true. Autoresponder, page builders, store builders, SEO tools, etc. So these are so many platforms for which you will have to pay on a monthly basis. So this software, your business grows on autopilot, and you will be saving monthly payments. They are saying average $200 per month. On services they are already paying for. So since launching our first easy profit page site, they have saved an average of $10. Customers like these gladly share your site across their network, bringing in even higher profits for us. Okay, now the fourth point is commissions are generated even if people don't purchase anything. That's right, with this system you don't need to sell anything to make money. So passive income is generated when people click and visit your profit page. So when at first I read this visit your profit page, the sentence, what came to my mind was like, it's a concept like if you know about link shorteners, that you shorten your link after signing up your account, and you create your shortened link, and when people click on them you get paid. That's what came to my mind. Okay, so I don't know what their make money with this click system is. So let's just find out. Okay, let's get to the dashboard of this welcome to easy profit pages. That's the welcome video, and well, the front end looks beginners friendly. Okay, now the tutorial section, let me show you. Here it was taking too much time to load, so I already loaded it for you. So welcome to the easy profit pages tutorial. You will find tutorial overview of the system and how to use done for you campaigns, integrations for the autoresponder, how to create campaigns for any niche, and publishing your campaigns. So you will basically, and how to share it on social media. Okay, so they will be telling you even how to use your updates, the bonus builder, traffic strategies. Okay, now let's get to, okay, before getting to campaigns, I'll talk about resources sliders first. So yeah, you'll find products here and your affiliate links for all the products which you will be promoting, and you can create your own here by clicking on create now, and you fill in the details and then hit click create now. So that was your resource slider. So you will not have to go on any other platform to collect your resources, and then you get to the pages first. You create the pages which your campaign will be needing. Let's say if you want to create your own page, then you can create an article page, call to action, ads, a webinar page. Let me show you a preview of call to action page. That's how it looks like. You fill in all the details, image here, and then you hit create now or save changes. Okay, you go back and you create all your pages which are required for your campaign. Then you go back to campaign and you find your main campaign here. You can create your new campaign from here and fill in all the details that are required, and then you hit save now. Okay, let's get back to the campaign table and I'll show you the campaign. Let's just publish it and view it. Okay, so how is this what this strategy basically is? So basically this strategy is to provide people with not just one option but with many options, with many products, so they can pick and choose what suits them the best. So that's their strategy. Like if you want to, let's get started, you hit that, there will be a pop-up. Do you want to make $1,000 plus per day? You put in your email and then you hit on get started now. That will also help you collect leads. Then you click on side hustles, and this you will find the people will find another option, another product if they're interested to buy. If not that webinar, then they can look for this the other ad you have created here for them. So that is how for this campaign there are only 2 options, but you can come up with many options so they can pick and choose what suits them the best. For each tab this works the same. Okay, so now let's get to the bonus page, the bonuses you will be getting, and the prices and upsells. The front end of profit pages, easy profit pages, is for $19. That's a one-time cost, and you will get access to your software and training modules. Then unlimited version is for $47. 100% done for you campaign is for $297. Automation for $47. Traffic for $147. Profit maximizer for $47, and license rights for $197. Let's talk about the bonuses which you will be getting if you buy the product via the link which I will drop in the description. So access the SEO Studio if you want to rank a website, if you want to rank your blog, if you want to rank your video. You will be needing some SEO hacks, so get that hack. Okay, now for the bonus number 2, you can access Jonah's headlines hack, If you want to create catchy hacks to make people wonder what the product is about and to make them click on it, you will be needing this. So the bonus 3 is 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. Yes, if you want to collect leads, and if you want to not just collect them but to convert them, then this is the bonus. Okay, so bonus 4 is access timeless traffic. Traffic is the key source to every business in the world. Okay, now the 5th bonus is all vendor bonuses. It's a special bonus which you will be getting access to once you're in the members area. Where will you find those bonuses? Just stick with me. Let me show you where you will find those bonuses. Here, in your free traffic, you will find your bonuses. Okay, so that's it for this review video. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching.